Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. This is not going to be a video about cutting down a tree, but I am in the middle of that, and the saw got caught up along with a falling branch, and I bent my blade a little bit. I'm going to, chain's fine, and see if I can show you the bend. I think you might be able to see it. It's like right at the end there. Most of the blade is good, but right at the end there's a little tiny kink. So what I'm going to try and do is put it in the vise and bend it back or bend it out or get rid of it. So I don't know if this is going to work or not, but I thought it might be interesting to you guys and gals. So here goes. So what I'm doing is I've got some covers, some pads there. I'll put a link for these for you guys and gals so I don't damage the blade. And I'm clamping it right where the curve is, where the bend is, and I'm just pulling on it like that, like a little bit more each time until it's coming out right now. I can see it's coming out. I'm going to give it one or two more pulls, but I need two hands. All right, I'm going to call it good. It's within 2 or 3 degrees of being straight, and where it is, where the sprocket end is, or the drive end is, I think it's going to be just fine. So I'm going to put it back together. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click on the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Well, you know I always think of things after I sign off. So I'm going to add one little tip here. You should flip your blade, so if it's like this way and you can read Ryobi, the next time you take it off, flip it so the Ryobi is upside down. That just evens out the wear. There tends to be more wear on the blade depending on which is the cutting side and which is the return side. So that way you're just evening things out. Little tip, Froggy tip.